Being in love. Love, one of the most popular words as well as the rarest thing to find among the human beings. Maybe we have lost that feeling due to our busy working schedules. Gradually, we, the human beings, are becoming nothing but full-time machines. We have started to follow what our brain says and simply giving it away to our popular rat race. We think about profits and losses instead of thinking about humanity. We even don't hesitate to kick a beggar sleeping on a footpath if we are getting late to reach office, court, school, or college, and that poor creature is laying in our way. Hearts do speak. This particular line has become blurrier. For us, heart is only machine that pumps blood. We don't want to listen to what our heart says, as there is a fear in our mind that if we listen to it, we may have to face loss, or it may degrade our social status. Though there isn't a scarcity, love is still alive and kicking in our society. The saddest part is that the society consists more the number of failures in love than those whose love stories can be written in golden letters. There are lots of controversial rules in our society which lead a beautiful relationship between a boy and a girl to a full stop. Though India is growing, developing, still there are hypocrisies rooted in our minds. As a result, those lovebirds become a machine who calculate profits and losses and social statuses. Society successfully convinced them to understand that there is nothing called love. Love exists, and we have all got that feeling deep down in our hearts. Just somehow we have switched off that button for good. You fell in love with someone at least for once. Maybe you still love someone secretly. But for the sake of some rules in our society, you may have deleted the feeling called love from your heart. Why can't we make an environment for the survival of love? Let's step forward towards that beautiful world of love. Let's enjoy the first foggy morning of the winter with that person our heart really needs. I hope the fragrance of jasmines will tell you to on that particular switch called love in your heart. That grow in love, by love, for love are really strong.